bulldozer, bulldozer. Heavy equipment with a large blade for pushing earth, used in construction to level or move large quantities of soil. Excavator, excavator. Versatile digging machine with a rotating cab and arm, employed for digging, trenching, and earthmoving in construction projects. Crane, crane. Tall lifting machine with a hoist and cables, used to move heavy materials vertically and horizontally at construction sites. Backhoe loader, backhoe loader. Combined excavation and loading machine with a digging bucket at the back and a loader bucket at the front. Concrete mixer truck, concrete mixer truck. Vehicle equipped with a rotating drum for mixing and transporting concrete to construction sites. Grader, grader. Machine with a long blade used for precision grading and leveling of surfaces in road construction and maintenance. Paver, paver. Equipment for laying asphalt or concrete on roads, creating smooth surfaces during road construction. Forklift, forklift. Industrial truck with front forks for lifting and moving heavy materials within warehouse and construction sites. Dump truck, dump truck. Heavy-duty truck designed for transporting and dumping loose materials such as soil, sand, or gravel. Roller, road roller or compactor. Roller, road roller or compactor. Heavy construction machine with a large drum, used to compact soil, asphalt, or concrete surfaces during road construction.